The 2025 Ram 1500 redesigns and adds other features to its full-size vehicle. Little changes to the truck's exterior design give it a more contemporary but elegant appearance. Some of the updates include new wheel designs, new lighting features, and a refreshed color palette. The 8.4-inch touchscreen on the inside has been replaced by a larger 12.0-inch one, and a 14.5-inch display is now an option. It now comes with the option of a 10.3-inch passenger side screen. The Ram 1500 has been known as the most luxurious vehicle on the road, but a new Tungsten edition promises to boost the ante with quilted leather upholstery, massaging seats, and expensive extras like a 23-speaker Klipsch stereo. This year featured the introduction of the Ramcharger plug-in hybrid and the Ram 1500 REV EV. The Ram 1500 is available with V6 and twin-turbo inline-six gasoline engines, and also comes with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. The standard V6 produces 305 horsepower, and is aided by a 48-volt hybrid system. The Hurricane twin-turbo inline-six engine produces 420 or 540 horsepower. Every Ram 1500 features a smooth ride thanks to a rear suspension that employs regular coil springs rather than the traditional leaf spring configurations found on domestic competitors. Models with optional air suspension feature a ride height that may be adjusted to improve fuel efficiency and off-road performance. The Ram 1500 has a towing capacity of 11,580 pounds, and a payload capacity of 2,300 pounds. That's less than competing pickups from Ford and Chevrolet, both of which currently weigh more over 13,000 pounds. Consider the new Ramcharger plug-in hybrid, which has a towing capacity of 14,000 pounds. There's also the Ram HD series, which has a maximum towing capability of 37,090 pounds. Ram 1500 interior features spacious passenger space and incredibly useful cubby stowage. Ascendant trims elevate the Ram's vibe from that of a pickup truck to that of a luxury car by adding plush materials and creature comforts. A panoramic sunroof and heated and ventilated seats are among the luxurious amenities offered by the majority of versions, with the most expensive models featuring real wood accents and luxury leather upholstery. The Ram 1500 boasts an incredibly roomy crew cab, as do most full-size pickup trucks. Along with a revolutionary split-folding tailboard, it boasts a ton of inside storage. It is possible to get a cargo bed that is 5 feet 7 inches or 6 feet 4 inches, however, the extended cab body design is only compatible with the larger size. The Ram 1500 comes standard with a number of driver assistance features, ranging from automated emergency braking to lane keeping assist.